Good morning. Today you are going to learn vicious circle of poverty. Why a poor country remains as poor. This is well explained in the vicious circle of poverty by Ragnar Nass. According to Nass, a country is poor because it is poor. A country is poor because it is poor. The situation of a country can be compared with that of a man. A poor man hasn't enough to eat, being underfed, his health situation may be weak. Due to poor health situation, his working capacity may be low. Due to low working capacity, his income level may be low. He may again back to the situation of poverty. So poverty, low productivity is a vicious circle. The same thing can be applicable in the case of an economy also. What is vicious circle of poverty? Called Nass. Vicious circle of poverty implies a circular constellation of forces tending to act and react in such a way as to keep a poor country in a state of poverty. There are so many factors responsible for a poor country to remain as poor. We have studied various factors, various features of underdeveloped economy. That characteristics again leads to underdeveloped country in a state of poverty. The factors responsible for a poor country to remain as poor or in a state of poverty can be categorized into demand side factors and the supply side factors. The basic reason is poverty. So, in a poor country, due to poverty, there is low productivity. Low productivity may lead to low income. Low income leads to low purchasing power or low demand. And it again leads to low investment, and if investment is low, capital is deficient, and it again leads to low productivity. So the demand side circle is complete. The major factor working in the demand side factor is low demand. And next factor is the supply side factors. In a poor country, there is low productivity. Low productivity may lead to low income. Low income leads to low saving. And low saving, low investment again, and low capital deficiency, low productivity. And again the circle is complete. Here the major factor responsible for low productivity is low saving in an economy. The vicious circle may arise due to market imperfections also. In the underdeveloped economy, there may exist underdeveloped natural resources. The development of natural resources needs efficient human resources. In an underdeveloped economy, the major problem may be illiteracy, again, lack of expertise, persons, skilled manpower, etc. All this may lead to unexploited or underexploited natural resources. If a country have much underexploited natural resources, this may lead to the economic backwardness of that country. And our problem is how to break the vicious circle of poverty. You know, there are demand side factors and supply side factors are responsible for the vicious circle of poverty. Only by breaking these factors, we can break the vicious circle of poverty. The advocates explained from the demand side, balanced and unbalanced growth strategies are there. Or the supplies, if we take the supply side factors, by increasing the saving capacity, one can break the vicious circle. How we can increase the saving, or how we can attain the balanced growth or unbalanced growth in an economy, that can be explained in another class. Thank you.